What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I actually want to show you guys a new purchase that I have picked up. This is from Group A Motoring over in California. They make replica parts that are high quality, and I only chose this route because of the availability and price. Car looks a little crazy right now because I'm still prepping to wrap the fender. I taped off the carbon fiber, but as you can see here, this is a walled replica front half spoiler. This is made by Group A. Usually they use white fiberglass as their signature, finish, so you know it's from them. Shine Motorsports also make great replicas, but they are usually black. But this is from Group A. Pretty good stuff, to be honest with you. Like, it just needs a little bit of prep and sanding, but overall the fitment is fantastic. As you can see right in here, it's really tight all the way around, except the front, which is okay, honestly, because this is a very thin piece on the walled lip. Again, following all the way through, very thin. What's nice is it actually covers all the way back here too of the bumper, so that's really nice. It sits a little bit lower than what I was expecting, but it's fine. It actually looks really good. I've already wrapped this inlay yesterday. Wasn't gonna make a video because I wanted to try it out to see how well the vinyl sticks to the material, and it actually sticks pretty well. Same with the bumper. The bumper was just the factory plastic, but this is just the fiberglass finish that was smooth and prepped prior to shipping, so the vinyl does stick to it. I was able to hand cut this out right here for the carbon fiber. I will admit the carbon fiber is a little dull. I probably just got to hit it with some compound prior to washing the car and finishing up, but the lip is fantastic. The price is pretty affordable. It's about 900 bucks shipped. You might catch on a good day if they have specials, but in my opinion that's a bargain. Authentic walled, when I got quoted from someone in Japan, it actually was about 2,800 shipped, and that was about a 4-month wait because it's made to order. So to me, I can't wait 4 months, and I don't want to spend 2,800. I saved a little less than 2,000 ordering it through Group A. I'm trying to promote authenticity to the max. I do have authentic Volks. Even on my S2000, I have authentic hardtop wheels, coilovers and all. But in this case, it's just a lot of money to spend for a piece of plastic. Eventually will get messed up. As you can see, it says really low, almost too low, so I know I'm gonna have trouble leaving my driveway each and every day when I drive it. So yeah, I just want to make a quick video on letting you guys know who are kind of weary about buying replica parts for the Lexus ISF. Like I said in the past video, I trust Group A, I trust Shine, and I trust my buddy Maze Runner. I trust them with making all the replica parts, or their styling parts, because I know they alter it just slightly, just so they don't get in trouble or something like that. But I trust them the most. If you're gonna buy anything on eBay, you can buy anything through Facebook, on Instagram, make sure they're not from where I said they were. Don't want to get scammed. I just don't want anyone to lose money or waste their time or receive a product that's really trash. So in this defense, this stuff is pretty good. Honestly, like, I was very happy with it. I literally unboxed it and threw it right on the car, and it's been sitting there since. I do have to remove it to finish wrapping and rolling the edges when I get the vinyl put onto the lip. And also I'm going to run a weather strip in between here, because I want to make a lot more clean and flush and secure it underneath as well. So hope you enjoyed this video, and this is my new Group A style, or Group A walled style front lip.